Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the AI channel. Today, we will discuss the topic AI Insights. Unlocking the Potential explores the transformative power of artificial intelligence, AI, across various sectors, unleashing opportunities and addressing challenges. Introduction to AI. AI refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that traditionally require human intelligence. From image recognition to natural language processing, AI is revolutionizing industries worldwide. Unprecedented opportunities. AI offers unprecedented opportunities across diverse domains. In healthcare, AI aids in early disease detection and personalized treatments. In manufacturing, it enhances productivity and product quality through automation. In finance, AI analyzes market data and forecasts trends for smarter investment decisions. Ethical considerations. Despite its potential, AI raises ethical concerns. Issues of fairness, bias, and privacy emerge as AI systems evolve beyond human control. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility becomes imperative. Job displacement versus augmentation. AI-driven automation may lead to job displacement, sparking concerns about unemployment and social inequality. However, AI also augments human capabilities, creating new job opportunities and reshaping workforce dynamics. Addressing societal challenges. AI can address pressing societal challenges like climate change, global health, and poverty. By leveraging AI insights, policymakers can develop data-driven strategies for sustainable development and social equity. Responsible AI development. Ensuring responsible AI development requires collaborative efforts from governments, industries, and academia. Establishing robust regulations, ethical guidelines, and accountability mechanisms is crucial for harnessing AI's potential for the greater good. Empowering human creativity. AI serves as a tool to empower human creativity and innovation. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up time for individuals to focus on more meaningful and strategic endeavors. Creatives can utilize AI-generated insights to enhance their artistic processes, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and cultural advancements. Enhancing decision-making. AI-driven insights empower decision-makers with comprehensive data analysis and predictive capabilities. From business executives to policymakers, access to AI insights enables informed decision-making, optimizing resource allocation, and mitigating risks. This results in more effective strategies and policies that drive progress and prosperity. Fostering collaboration and diversity. AI fosters collaboration and diversity by transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. Through shared access to AI tools and insights, diverse teams can collaborate seamlessly, leveraging collective intelligence to tackle complex challenges. This inclusivity promotes innovation and ensures that AI benefits are accessible to all segments of society, fostering a more equitable future. Continuous learning and adaptation. AI's ability to learn and adapt continuously contributes to ongoing improvements and innovations. Through feedback loops and iterative processes, AI systems refine their algorithms and capabilities, staying abreast of evolving trends and needs. This agility ensures that AI remains relevant and effective in addressing emerging challenges and opportunities. Empathy and human-centric design. Integrating empathy and human-centric design principles into AI development is essential for fostering trust and acceptance. By prioritizing user experience and ethical considerations, AI solutions can enhance human well-being and address societal needs effectively. This human-centered approach ensures that AI technologies align with human values and aspirations, maximizing their positive impact on society. In essence, AI Insights Unlocking the Potential highlights the multifaceted benefits of AI across various domains. By embracing responsible development practices, promoting collaboration, and prioritizing human-centric design, we can harness AI's transformative potential to create a more inclusive, innovative, and prosperous future for humanity.